much. Let's go live. Okay, we are live again. Let's go live again, and let's see what's happening in the crypto world, guys. Let's go see what's happening in the crypto world again. Okay, let's go in. Yeah, let's go start the videos, man. Another day of Crypto Vader. Hey, another day of Crypto Vader coming up. And my mask is not snugly fit very well, right? But again, another week this week after TradFi struggle last week, right? Because of the blowout numbers of NFT. But let's see what's coming up this week. It is very, very interesting this week. Hey, I always get this problem when this thing comes out here.
我们的故事
Oh, man,
大大小小，
I had to get this out of the way, man. Let me get this out of the way. Yeah. Don't go there. Hey. And let's see what we face this week.
搬来
Okay. Shut up. I want to hear you there. It's out. Okay, now we're in a better position to see what's happening this week. And better way to do it. Usually we go to financeyahoo.com, right? And then we're going to go to CoinGecko. And as usual, we love to see what, guys? We love to see, again, fear and greed index. Where are we in the fear and greed index? We have to see both, right? We have to see both for Bitcoin and also for TradFi, because it's very important, because TradFi will eventually impact crypto, right? And so let's go to do this. Man, I got to get a better mask. This mask is not going to work. I am going to get a better mask. So let's see what's happening in the field of TradFi here. Let's go in, and I'm going to share the screen. Fear and no, crypto fear and greed index. Yeah, there we are. And of course, we have to start this too. Anyway, you haven't know, you can join my Telegram group. Let's see, we need the force, right? Let's see, we need the force to put this on. Please join my Telegram group. There's going to be a lot of updates going out from there. And of course, below there, you can see all my other groups, my TikTok and all stuff. I do give things there for free. T.me, the dots. In addition, I also do a lot of things on Twitter now. I put Twitter as my notes, right? A lot of notes that you see that my thoughts are actually being put on Twitter. So twitter.com. Maybe I should get the blue tick and pay like $8 a month. That's okay, right? And yeah, go. So let's see what the crypto fear and greed index has for us this week. It is greed. It's going to go to extreme greed. Where are we now? Yeah, we're struggling at 60, right? Oh man, we're struggling at 60, right? 60 there. Let's see the max. Okay, are we punctured at 60? Because Bitcoin seems to be going down. I was saying that 60, be careful, but I was expecting it to go to 70. I was not expecting it to go to 80. So maybe we already see. And then after we go to the crypto fear and greed index, let's go to the fear and greed of stocks. This is both of them together. And of course, let's put up our Coin Telegraph. Okay, let's see fear and greed for stocks here. Okay, let's see here. Investor sentiment, CNN. That's what I usually see, right? So people are saying, hey, when is this market going to take a breather, right? Because everyone now is interested in buying the dip. We haven't heard that for a long time. Okay, guys. Okay. We are at extreme greed. You're like pang. So definitely, if we're here now, correct. So let's see here. It was good 1 month fear. Oh boy. And let's see here. Clearly, we are near here. We're above the target already, right? I said to you guys that it's going to be like 4125. We have gone above that. Extreme agreed now. Ooh, boy. This is strong price strength. Oh, boy. We are like totally extreme greed. Put and call options. So this is the put call ratio. Of course, when there's more puts, the call stocks tend to go up, right? When was this? December 28th. And when was this? August 17th. And we are near there where the put and call ratio is almost here. August 17th. Yeah, April when the markets did go down, right? So again, as I see here, August 17th, I am expecting it somewhere to be here. The 17th there. That's when we went down, right? And December 28th, we should be somewhere here, right? But it kind of, yeah, December 28th, somewhere here. And then we went up. So this is something that you really need to do. And as we go into the Bitcoin bull cycle, I think it's next year. I think this is a mini rally. Just be careful of these indicators here. And of course, August here, it did go down. No surprises there. I think next week is going to be a very big test for Bitcoin and this. Now, if you know the cycle, you remember the cycle for the S&P 500, it looks like that, and then looks like that, and then looks like that. So you all are wondering, when is the correction, right? And I think we have seen Bitcoin take a bit of a tumble here, okay? But again, the biggest news last week was definitely, whoa, that number, guys, seriously, that number for, what do you say that? That number for the NFP, not NFT. Now I'm confusing myself. Like NFP is just totally nuts. 533 versus expectations of only 100, right? Like that's crazy, like 189, 191, and you have 500 over. That is crazy. You remember the last time we had that? It totally tanked. Markets totally tanked. That might be as good as it get. UK stock also has went high above the highs. The DAX hasn't been there. So if you guys have been following Driven, remember that Miss J, our Miss J, our girl Miss J, expect the DAX to hit its high before the crash of 2022, and then we go down again. So just be careful that I think this February, it's not going to be so good, okay? Because we need a correction to just get some of the air out. But man, look at this. So people are kind of cautious now. What's here? SBF entity that owns Robinhood stake goes bankrupt. Okay, they're going to have problems there. US demand remains strong. So the US is a very good labor market. Clearly, there are new jobs that are being created there, right? And you can see like the meme stocks such as Tesla. Oh my God, it's already at 189. Remember when it was like 117, 109? Did you buy there? You buy there. Okay, but one thing that before we go to Meta, I just want you to show this. I just want you to see this. This is so good. I always said that this is the year where we have to play both sides of the game. That even if you are buying a lot of cryptos, look at the TradFi version. And this Meta is very interesting because 1 month ago, guys, you saw that Mark Zuckerberg was the most hated guy on YouTube and crypto Twitter, right? The metaverse is supposed to fail, blah, 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 blah. And look what happens now. Okay, he had the biggest net worth gains. Okay, Mark Zuckerberg, Meta, Mark Zuckerberg, yeah, metaverse. Let's go to metaverse. What's happening on the metaverse, guys? And everyone hates Mark Zuckerberg. Meta. Well, where is the Meta thing? The real metaverse, Meta. Let's go to Mark. What happened to you, Mark? The hatest guy, the most hated guy. Okay, Facebook reveal. Well, I found it just now, right? Metaverse has fallen. Well, there it was. Metaverse has just collapsed. Yeah, Facebook was trimming down people, and Zuckerberg going bankrupt. Blah 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 blah. I'm going to create. It looks like in order to get you guys on YouTube, I'm going to have to create more crypto in this, right? I'm going to have to create more clickbait. Yeah, I have to create more clickbait stuff. I'm not good at this, but I promise to be better, right? Yeah, like everyone's going bankrupt, then only you guys will listen to me, right? Because yeah, next avatar with legs or whatever. And look, guys, just look at this. He's had the last laugh. Ho, 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 ho. Look at that. Look at that insanity. Like 148, 153 to 186. Oh my God. And it was at 90. It was at 90. Did you guys buy the metaverse? This is good for the metaverse. Okay, this is really good for the metaverse. That means like what? Decentraland, sandbox. Hey, will the world, and all that. That's kind of cool. But again, probably the most, we're going to talk about this in the next few shows here. Probably the most metaverse that I'm excited at is this. Go to OpenSea. I hope you guys got your airdrop, right? From Frank Wilder. He has something called an open edition where it's literally an unlimited mint, okay? On the metaverse, he says it's cash, right? But this cash thing. Okay, I really like this, okay? I like the other side. Other side is kind of cool. And, you know, I think this is really going to work very, very well. I kind of like 8 coin, right? Hey, where's the other side, guys? Where is that other side? What's trending here? Loud punks. I don't know. Sewer pass. Well, that's, yeah. That's kind of a gaming, right? So that's hot. And something's fishy. I don't know. I don't know all this now. You know, Kyuzuki. I have no idea. Exodus pods here. Yeah, artifact. I want to check my Exodus pods here. So let's go on Twitter. Can we go on Twitter and check this thing? I hope I have my Twitter here. I don't even know that. Okay, so sewer pass. What did I say here? Alphabet doodle. What am I doing doing that? On-chain monkey, sewer pass, and where's my Frank Wilder thing? Where's my Wilder world, guys? Wilder Beast, Wilder Genesis, Wilder World Deployer, Frank Wilder. Yeah, you should have gotten the 8. Well, let's just bring it out, okay? Where is that thing here? You know, I think Frank Wilder has dropped this new kind of NFT, right? Open edition NFT to us all. And yeah, there it is. Yeah, the end of cash. Let's find the end of cash here. Can you guys find the end of cash? It can mean as much as you want that there is a date here. Let's go here. Can we have here end of cash? So that's kind of cool, right? So I think the metaverse is coming back. I do like 8. I don't see it here. But here's the end of cash. They always have problem finding it. This is from Will the World. Can I go to Twitter here? Get me in Twitter. What are you doing? I'm going to have to find it on my other thing, right? I can find it on my other thing, but I really like 8 because I think that Yuga Labs is going to do a good job. Not only that, guys, Artifact is also coming out with the metaverse. So I'm not surprised to see that the metaverse is hot again. In addition to this, right? In addition to our favorite, what? In addition to our favorite coins, it doesn't have it here. In addition to AI, right? Because AI seems to be extremely hot, but not surprised if the metaverse makes its comeback, right? Because you know that Zuckerberg has put a lot of money there. I don't think he will allow it to fail. So again, you can look at, you can look at the Bitcoin miners stocks. You can look at the metaverse, Meta, and of course, a pullback would be nice to re-enter your positions. However, please be careful. You guys got to be very, very careful now because a lot of things are happening. Okay. And let's go here. What do I have here? Oh, I have that, right? Okay, cool. That's my mutant ape, but you got to be careful of this. Okay. The other thing is that again, guys, on Wednesday, we are going to have, this is very clickbaity, right? I have come out with an interest-free loan of ringgit. What's that ringgit? That's about like 12,500 US dollars. Okay. This is for my IPO. Again, I think because this is the year that IPOs make a lot of money. So on the next show, which will be on Wednesday at 9, because there's nothing going on here this week, we will talk about the interest-free loan and also my choices of crypto and also of IPOs. But yeah, I've done it. I'm putting out a 12,500 ringgit, or rather, it's not 12. Yeah, 12,500 US dollars. It is right. 50,000 ringgit interest-free loan. That's it. So that people can buy IPOs, because, you know, my experience in IPOs, it is very hard to get. So definitely an interest-free loan would help them to increase the probability of getting IPOs. And we're going to go about that on Wednesday, okay? And we are also launching our contest for the interest-free loan. And whoever wins the contest, I am going to give them 1,000 shares of whatever IPO they choose. And they will be given the profit. Of course, we're going to pay you guys in crypto, right? Because if you are overseas, it's kind of hard to pay in cash. So let's see what's happening this week. Not much, actually. It was a very filled week last week, but there's nothing much this week. Monday, nothing. Well, IVPMI, that's Canada. Australia, going to have the interest rate. Well, that's not the US. USD, Fed Chairman Powell speaks. 1 a.m. Okay, so just be careful on Wednesday morning. USD, FOMC member Williams speak at night. Okay, but there's no news, right? So we're going to have it on Wednesday. That's good, Wednesday, right? So on Wednesday, we're going to have our show, and I'm going to explain to you the interest-free loan. It's like interest rates are going down, so I'm going to have the interest-free loan, and I'm going to show you my top picks on crypto, my picks on crypto that I am buying. Okay, and also my top pick on the IPO for this month. It's time to make money again, okay? So I'm going to show you what the 3 C's are. My top picks in crypto and also in IPOs. I call them the 3 C's, okay? It's time to make money, guys. Time to make money. So we're going to talk about that during 9 p.m. That's kind of cool. Time to get back onto all this, right? Time to do some catch up again, and also make sure, I think this is very important. I want us to be ready for the eventuality that this will eventually lead. Okay, this is going to lead, guys. Again, as I said, this is going to lead to what? This is going to lead to a major Bitcoin rally. I don't think it is now, but some people think it is now. So let's go to crypto now and see what is happening. Some interesting things happening in crypto. Let's go to news.google.com. Since we know we are at the point where it might correct a little bit, and that is fine. Let's go to Cointelegraph. What is the news going on now? Why is crypto market down today? Because it's down. Oh, this is important. ChatGPT. I told you AI was hot, guys, and you can see next week a lot of business are going to incorporate AI. In fact, my new business, because after all this crypto market is done, actually to become kind of a business guru, basically looking into how to apply AI to your business. I think it's kind of niche, right? Ordinals, what shock porn? What is this? What's a shock porn? I don't know what the shock porn is. Made it to the front page of the Ordinals website for 30 minutes. However, the image itself is immutable. I mean, they put in, my God, it's, yeah, Bitcoin is down 23. I saw it at 23.4, right? But let's see. First shock pornographic image, which has been inscribed on the blockchain. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Let's see this, right? Okay. Anyway, but when you talk about Bitcoin, there is a major rally going on. Where did I see that? Explosive Bitcoin rally. Okay. Ooh, golden cross. Yeah, there is a golden cross. Let's see what's happening here. See what's happening here. And then we're going to see the charts, right? Oh, but man, hey guys, things are tumbling, man. I'm just looking at my thing. Oh my God, my portfolio has gone down. But there's a catch, right? A widely followed crypto strategy says Bitcoin may be gearing up for explosive price action because there is invest answers flash a golden cross in the coming days. Yes, I did see that. Short-term moving average rises above the long-term moving average. It is coming here. In the case of Bitcoin, there's at least a 20% chance of golden cross failing. Not all golden crosses have led to a big rally. 72% to 80% of them have. So again, guys, we are going to see on Wednesday if this indeed crosses. This could be, again, a 72 to 80% chance that we have a rally. And we know that is going like 25 and 28, maybe even 30. The fact that a lot of people are saying 30 means that I'll probably bail out even before it goes to 30. Because many people expect that it's going to go there very fast, or I'm just not going to get out on time, right? These were all that the February 2012, October to 15, May 2020. These were all on the point of pre-staging at least a year to 18-month bull run now, and the prices at least double or rallied 350% or more. Wow. So 2021 was the big year, right? 2017 was the big year. Let's see, 2020, 2016, 2020, 2016, 2012. So this happened a year before that big rally, at least on October 2015. On the other hand, the golden crosses of 2014, okay, 2015, and with bull traps. So we got to remember all this, right? This is before the Bitcoin halving, of course. I'd prefer to have it after the Bitcoin halving, October 2015, after the Bitcoin halving. After the Bitcoin halving, this is no good. Okay, this is July 215, October 215. Okay, so the latter it is. Okay, so we really got to see this and take it in its stride, because some of it just might not happen. Let me find some news here. But yeah, the thing is really tumbling down for a much needed correction. Sunday night. Just remember that it tends to go down on Sunday night. Go down on Sunday night kind of thing, like Sunday afternoon or Sunday night. Maybe it comes back on Monday morning, but again, the TradFi thing, the TradFi trade is due for a correction. So I just want you to know that, right? Because let's see here. I just found something, there's supposedly some interesting news on Bitcoin, right? And I know a lot of you are seeing a very happy in the terms of the policy pivot, because there's a lot of news actually on the policy pivot, but we got to take it historically. It's easy to get lost here and say that, hey, this is going to happen because that is going to happen because that is going to happen. But statistically, okay, I'm just saying statistically, sometimes things do not happen. And let me show you this. I didn't know this. Someone pasted it on Facebook just now, so I just took it down, and I want to show it to you. Interesting, because conventional wisdom says that I'm going to show you the facts. Let's see the hard facts here. Conventional wisdom says when the Fed tends to pivot, right? Pivot to a lower interest rate regime or whatever, then you know what? The idea is that when that happens, guess what happens? Well, the markets are supposed to go up. Is it true? Let's see. So let's look here. This shows you the pivot coming, right? But it isn't that way, okay? While that expectation is not wrong, it may not occur as quickly as the bulls expect. When the Fed cuts interest rates, such is not the end of equity bear markets, but rather the beginning. Oh, are we going to have an equity bear? So let's see here on the pivot. Okay, Fed pivot. Wow, go down. Fed pivot. Ooh, go down. Fed pivot. Go down. That doesn't look good. So it goes down, then goes up, right? Fed pivot. Well, this was COVID, right? COVID. Yeah, COVID, they had to pivot, go down, and then go up. Rather confusing, this is like rather confusing. So are we saying that, wait a minute, are we saying that, was this like this is very tricky, right? The Fed may have pivoted in response to COVID, and that caused the market to go up. Not that the Fed pivoted and then the market went down. You understand what I mean? The market went down, the Fed pivoted, and then the market went up. I'm not sure what happens here. I don't remember this. Well, Fed pivot here, the markets went down most definitely, and then they went down some more. Okay, I do remember this. And then they went on. And then actually, I only remember the pivot here. I kind of don't remember that there was a pivot here because this was Ben Bernanke. So again, be careful what you read. Okay, this was before that. This was way before that. Okay, Fed pivot, it went up and down. So just take it with a grain of salt, but just be careful, okay? Careful because this is a market where anything can really happen. Let's go and see ETH and also Bitcoin. What is happening? No, let's go here. Let's go here, guys. Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's go here. So, just kind of like warning you that, anything can happen now. Yes, we are confident, but don't be that overconfident that, you kind of forget that things can change very, very quickly as they do in this Bitcoin market, right? And here, look, it's gone down 21,130,1647, 24 hours. What's happened here? Whoa, singularity. Look at that. This is AGI. Wow. Look at that. This is AI, right? Render. Wow. Okay, it's gone up, but look at the down. It's gone down a lot. Shiba has gone down. I know it was 14.8. OKB, Tezos, Pancake Swap. I just want to look at 1 hour, okay? 1 hour, what has gone down? Okay, they're not up. Frax is also very good. Leo, okay, let's see, True USD. So, so when you see a lot of USDD, Tether Gold, which is nothing to do with Bitcoin, USDC, Tether, True USD, Pax Gold, Pax Dollar, well, you kind of know that the markets are correcting. What is, Phantom has gone down. It has been hot. Man, 57. I last saw it at 28. So you see the old names coming again. GMX, we've talked about that a lot. Phantom, of course, this depends on the founder coming back, right? And Render, Aptos, Decentraland. Okay, that's Metaverse, Near, Loopring, and all that. So it's kind of like the familiar faces are still here. Let's go and adjust this here. Okay, so you really got to be careful of all this. But I really found a very good news just now. Let's see. Can I get a 0 here? Because my computer, I am ready to buy a computer. I'm going to buy the 16-inch Mac, but it hasn't come to Malaysia. Bummer, bummer, bummer. Okay, let's go and see this Bitcoin. Can Bitcoin really go to 100? I saw this somewhere. I'm just going to find it, okay? See, Sakramuchi 50,000 in 2 years as market hopes for a bull. Okay, hedge founder shares his bullish take. Wow, over 100,000. Peter Schiff. Oh, Peter Schiff never believed in Bitcoin anyway. But let me see this. Okay, let's take this out. This, I don't know what this is about. That was actually a very bullish take on Bitcoin. So I just want to find that. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Who says this? Hedge fund Block Tower has expressed bullish opinion saying that Bitcoin could reach by 100,000 per coin by the end of 2024. Really? Just after the Bitcoin cycle. So I think people are getting excited because, 2024 is the halving. So people expect it to go like a rocket in 2024. And if many people expect that's what it won't do. The base case scenario would be new lows for Bitcoin, even below 12,000. So again, this is like very, very dicey things, okay? Hot stories. London, most crypto radio city for business. Really? You didn't know that? UK is like to need digital currency strategy. Well, we know all that. YouTuber baits MMA fighter into secretly shilling fake NFTs for 1K. Wow. What is this? See, and this is the thing about the bear market here. You guys have to be careful because there's a lot of crap in here. Revealed that American Dolan Dance promoted fake NFT project without disclosing that he received 1,000 for the advertisement. So CoffeeZilla is like the detective, right? doing all this. Only 1,000? Oh, unvetted project defense without knowing they were legitimate scams as markets recover. So again, we just tricked Dylan Dennis into promoting a fake NFT project. We paid him 1,000 to post. He didn't disclose it was an ad and posted a copy that literally spelled scam. So they did this as a test. So it's like, hey, it's like all these people are like shilling NFTs. It's like not knowing what it is, right? Not knowing what it is. Wow. So don't just shill, okay, don't just shill all this, especially if you get payment in all this. Okay, be careful of all this. I think we also saw this in 2017. Those who were with me since 2017, it kind of didn't work, right? So again, where is this going all in all, where is this going? I'm just telling you guys, just be careful of where all of this is going. But having said that, I forgot the name of the guy, you know. Bitcoin make a run for 100,000. Let's go to Bitcoin bullish. There was a very important influencer. Oh, I know where it is. Golden Cross. Yeah, Golden Cross is important, but where is the thing now? One moment, guys. I found it. I just want to find the news where this guy actually makes sense, okay? And then I too want to go for my dinner, right? Pivot and all that. No, I didn't find it here. I didn't write it. I didn't write it. How come I didn't write it? How come I did not write it? Oh my God. Let's see this. I'm just at my group now, okay? Oh my God. Don't tell people that I forgot to write this, okay? Yeah, I have my, okay, here it is, guys. Sorry, here it is. Morgan Creek Capital. This is interesting. This actually makes sense with, I don't like all this shitting news. And you saw all this news because you're going to see a lot of this news and most of it is really crap. I want to read something from people who kind of actually know what they're doing. So again, he's saying that a summer rally may start, and let's end it here. And unless you want to see the charts, I just want to see the charts before we go. Guys like to see the charts, right? Let's see the charts before we go. Again, yeah, 23151 Ethereum. It's Ethereum going, oh, this is bad. Look at that total market capitalization. This is bad because it's a red bar on the market capitalization. But really, you want to see what happens tomorrow. It depends really on the movement of TradFi in a week where there's not a lot of Powell things. Okay, Powell speaks once a week this week. I think people are waiting for him to say, hey, what is he going to say about the jobs market? Say, we are blocked here, right? Well, I just draw that on the line and it has been proven to be, that's an order block, guys. That's an order block. That order block really blocked it. Look at that. So this is a big resistance at 1.7 here, right? That's a big order block at 1.7 seemingly blocking this. No point saying all this. Let's review on Wednesday as I give out my interest-free loan. What is that all about? And also my favorite cryptos and my favorite IPO. So Morgan Creek Capital summer rally to 100,000. Are you kidding me? Could it be a crypto summer? Kick off as soon as the second quarter this year due to the combination of more dovish central bank policies, anticipation of Bitcoin halving next year. That's right. So unlikely to cut interest rates, the market tends to anticipate the Fed decisions. That means that if people are expecting the Fed to cut, they will send the market higher or cut later, which is due to take place in the second quarter next year, will also drive bullish sentiment in the market. It could be we go up and then go back down again. The market always anticipates a halving 9 months before. That is usually when the beginning of the summer starts. So since the halving is May, that means the summer will start, what, August, September, kind of 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, August, September. So that summer, August is kind of summer, beginning of summer. Watch the full interview. So yeah, you might want to watch the full interview here. So this makes sense. But again, remember guys, on Wednesday, we're going to talk about TradFi, also about the IPOs and also about crypto. And remember that on Wednesday, where is my thing? Again, we're going to talk about my interest-free loan to buy IPOs, not crypto. Are we going to have this on crypto? Who knows? Are we going to have this on crypto? Possible. Are we going to have interest-free loans on crypto? Follow the YouTube. Okay, but who knows? But again, this will be on Wednesday at 9 o'clock. Okay. Again, let me put it here. Change this. This was before, right? I gave it out already on Saturday. I gave out 2 times 50,000 US dollars interest-free loans. Okay. 250,000 interest-free loans, and this will not be on here. This will be on Wednesday at 9. I don't know. What is Wednesday? I have no idea what Wednesday is. Yes, you should. Haha, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I already gave out 2 times 50. That's 100,000 ringgit. That's a lot of money. Of course, there is a contract to tie this, and I'm going to tell you more about it, why I did it, okay? So Wednesday is the day 4, 5, 7, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8th of February, and I am going to see you then. And follow this. Who knows? Who knows? I might give up a free loan, interest-free loan, also for crypto. Nobody knows. I'm going to see you guys later. See you then, guys. Bye. Have a great day. And remember that it's very light this week, so could be volatile. You know, there's not a lot of news, but we're going to come back after Powell speaks at 1 a.m. the previous night. And let's see what happens. Okay, guys. Bye. See you later. Bye.